Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 8 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So today I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number, and let's start with your contact list. I highly recommend to reach the contacts through the dialer, thanks to which we'll have the immediate access to both options I'd like to show you today. So let's start with opening the contact you want to block. So for example, maybe this one. And tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it, so simply tap on block to confirm. And as you can see, for some reason I'm unable to block the numbers right now, but no worries, I'm sure that this option will work in your case. So simply tap on block numbers, and whenever you would like to unblock the number, you have to tap on the three dots icon and tap on unblock numbers. This option will appear in the same place. So this is the first way of blocking the number. You can block the number you've got currently saved. And the second way is more manual. It does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers. And basically here we've got our blacklist. So as I said, it's more manual way because we have to tap on add a number, and in this section we can enter the number. You can also paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. So from now on you will now receive calls and texts from the number. Here you can also turn on this option unknown, which means that your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers. So it's up to you if this option is useful for you or not. You can turn it off the same way. And if you want to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. And also information in the previous way of blocking, the contact, whenever you will block the contact, the number will also appear on the blacklist. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.